Hello everyone, today we will look at COUNTIF and COUNTIF functions in the Excel. So let's get started. So here I have a set of data with names, division, country, state, salary, designation and the number of sales happened in that particular year. So when you have such a big data set, you will be asked to find the number of records, number of names or number of entries that has happened here, right? So what you can do is you can use the count function. So let's look at each and every questions here and then solve them with count, COUNTIF or COUNTIFs. Okay, let's get started. So here the first question says that what is the total number of names, right? So the total number of names is here and we need to get the count of this. So if you look here the count says 20. So if you remove your cursor here and click somewhere else, the count goes off and this becomes blank. So what you have to do, you can use the formula called count A. So equal to sign count A plus tab, select the value. You can select the value or the entire range, close the bracket and press enter. Now you might be wondering what count A is, right? I've not talked about count A because I just told count, COUNTIF and COUNTIFs. So what count A does is A here refers to alphabeticals. So that means it only counts the alphabetical values. So let's say you have a data set where both alphabeticals and numerical values are included. And if you want to count only the alphabetical values, you go for count A. What about numerical values, right? So here the question says, what is the count of total sales? So the sales we have here, and we don't need the addition or the sum of the value, or we just need the count. So as you can see here, the sum may be 93, but we would be needing the count value. So how do we do it? We use the count formula, that is equal to sign count plus tab, select the range, close the bracket and press enter. So that's 20, right? And we get it here. So the count is 20. So this is about count A and count. Next we look at the third question. So the question says how many people are from USA. So this means that you will have to find the count of the people who are from USA. So as you can see here in the country column, we have different countries mentioned and you will have to filter it out so that you will find only people from USA. Also as you can see here, you have these buttons. So this is nothing but filtering button where you can filter out what type of country you would need. So as per our requirement, I'll just select USA, press OK. So as you can see here, the total count is 5. So how do we get that using a formula, right? So that's when we use COUNTIF. So how do we write the formula? Equal to sign COUNTIF plus tab. Here it's asking for a range. So our range here is this, right? Range is the country. You can start from here, that's the column name, and comma the criteria. The criteria should be that this particular value equals to USA. You can select any USA here, or you can just type it out using double quotes. Close the bracket, press enter. So looks like we have 5 USAs and we did check that using the filter button. Again, an important thing, in order to enable filter, what you can do is you can click on the, I'll just disable filter. So in order to enable filter, all you can use is press the Control, Shift and L button. So that will enable the filter. Okay, so that's about the third question or the COUNTIF. Next, we will look at the fourth question, which says how many people are in IT division from China. So as you can see here, it's asking for the count of people in IT division. That is, if you look at the division, the IT division is this, and the second criteria is we will have to look out for people in IT division. At the same time, those people are supposed to be from China. So how do we do it? As you can see here, we have two criteria. So how do we do it? We can use COUNTIFs formula. So how do we start the formula? We'll start with equal to sign COUNTIFs, press the tab. So here it's asked for criteria range 1. So criteria range 1 means that the range which we are looking for, that is from the division until finance, that's the criteria range 1, comma. Now it's asking for the criteria. The criteria is supposed to be IT. You can choose any one of the IT. Let me just choose the third one, comma. Our criteria 2 is the country, right? So the person has to be from China. So we select the range, comma, criteria 2 is supposed to be China, right? China, any one of the China you can select. So I'm going to select this one, or you can type it out with double quotes. Close the bracket, press enter. So looks like we have 3 people working in IT division from China. So let's just verify it using filter, right? So I'm just going to select IT. So we have 3 and all the 3 are from China. So this question is right and the formula worked well. So this is about count A, count if and countifs. We'll meet you in the next session. Thank you so much.